Elon Musk's compensation package, once a symbol of ambitious corporate goals, has now become a battleground with billions at stake. In 2018, Tesla had designed a compensation scheme for Musk that was directly tied to performance milestones, primarily focusing on stock price and market capitalization. However, the journey took an unexpected turn in November 2023, when a Delaware judge ruled that the board of directors' approval process for this pay package lacked proper oversight and independence, deeming it unfair. This ruling brought to light questions about corporate governance practices and the future of Musk's leadership role at Tesla. The plot thickened when lawyers representing the Tesla shareholders laid claim to a staggering $5.96 billion payout in Tesla stock. Their reasoning? These lawyers argue that their successful legal challenge directly benefited Tesla. They managed to secure a fairer pay structure, which they believe merits hefty compensation, and they're not asking for chump change. They want a payout equivalent to 11.1% of the shares initially awarded to Musk under the contested pay package. Now, if you're wondering how much that is, let's break it down. We're talking about roughly 29.4 million Tesla shares. That's a lot of stock. But what happens if this claim is approved? Well, it's more than just a win for these lawyers. It could change the game in a big way. It would set a significant precedent for shareholder lawsuits against executive compensation packages in the US. If approved, this payout would set a significant precedent for shareholder lawsuits against executive compensation packages in the US. The outcome of this legal battle could echo far beyond the boardroom of Tesla. A ripple effect, you could say, as the implications of this case could potentially impact Elon Musk's future leadership role and compensation at Tesla. Musk, the wizard behind the curtain, the man who has been instrumental in driving Tesla's meteoric rise, could find his compensation package under scrutiny and his leadership role called into question. But the implications don't stop at Tesla's doors. This case could have broader implications for corporate governance practices and executive compensation in the US. A win for the shareholders could empower others to challenge exorbitant executive compensation packages that they believe breach fiduciary duties. And while the lawyers have laid their cards on the table, Tesla has yet to show its hand. The company has yet to publicly comment on the lawyers' request for compensation. Could this silence be the calm before the storm of a protracted legal battle? The eyes of investors, corporate governance experts, and the tech industry are all fixed on the Delaware court. It holds the power to validate or reject the lawyer's request and determine the appropriate course of action. With the Delaware court yet to decide on the lawyer's request, the case is being closely watched by investors, corporate governance experts, and the tech industry. This case could reshape the landscape of executive compensation in the US,